Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural, and today is a wash day, yes again, and she has been itching, her scalp has been itching and it has been quite dry, and we're going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm going to actually teach her how to do an apple cider vinegar rinse, but before we do that, we want to say that this video is sponsored by Kapchair, and it is actually spelled Kapchair, but it says it's called Kapchair. And we're going to show how we're going to use this sleeve when doing the apple cider vinegar rinse on our hair. So to do the apple cider vinegar rinse, you're going to need a spray bottle like that, and you're going to need your apple cider. So I'm going to direct her what to do. So what you do is that you're going to take your bottle and you're going to fill the apple cider vinegar. First fill it with water, so we're filling it with about 3/4 of water, and then we're going to take the apple cider vinegar and we're going to get about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to take some peppermint oil and we're just gonna put it smells very good. It's peppermint oil, and mommy is gonna do that for you because I don't want you to spill. And we're just gonna put about 5 drops of peppermint oil in there. Shake after covering it. So let's cover this.
Can I shake it?
Yes, you can shake it. So shake it real good. So apple cider vinegar can get into the eye, and when it gets into the eye, it can burn and sting. So for a child, that is something that we don't want. So that's why this Kapchair sleeve comes in handy, because of course you don't need a shower cap because this is waterproof. So that's one thing. And then this also, you can, if you're going to use it for deep conditioning, you can put the pouches. These pouches, you can heat them up in the microwave. They contain flaxseed, and you heat them up in the microwave, and then you can just put them in here like that. So it keeps the cap warm if you're going to use it for deep conditioning. And the material, of course, can be cleaned. So when you want to clean it, make sure you take out the pouch from it and throw that into the washing machine and clean the way that you normally clean on low. And it's really durable, very durable. The material is so durable, and the inside of it is also quite durable. So now what she's going to do is that she's going to wear it, and when you wear it, you want to wear it where the snap area is on the back of the head. So we're just going to wear it as if we're wearing it as a headband. So let's see if you can do it yourself. Can you do it yourself? So wear it on your neck first.
On my neck first?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then wear it like a headband.
Okay.
Okay.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. So we're going to push this down so that we can get to the hair easily. And she chose this color. This actually comes in different colors, such as leopard print and black and different colors. So now that our hair is protected, like our face is protected, the apple cider vinegar will not drain into our eye and hurt her. Now to protect her shirt, we have the towel that comes with the Kapchair head sleeve, and what we do is that we're going to turn that around, and this is the snap area, and at the back, as I mentioned to you, at the back area you also have a snap in there. So this is the snap. What we're going to do is that we're going to take this snap and snap the towel onto the Kapchair sleeve so that the product is not pouring onto our clothes. So now I have the apple cider vinegar mixture, and we're going to spray it directly to our scalp and get all the areas of our scalp that is itching. So you want to spray it directly, and you notice how this is watery. You see how it's dripping, but you're gonna see that it's not gonna drip onto our face. Our hair is all collecting the apple cider, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the hair, we're gonna bunch it up at the top, and you just pull up the sleeve like this, and we're just going to use the tie right here. There's a tie right there, and all you do is just bunch it up like this. Okay, do you feel any drip?
Nope.
Okay, so we've been waiting now for about 15 minutes and it's time to shampoo the hair. So after you put the apple cider vinegar mixture in the hair, then you can just take this off easily. And now she can start our wash day of shampooing our hair. So we want to thank Kapchair for allowing us to show how we use their product. Is this something that you feel that you can use on your own? Yeah, so we're looking forward to using it, and she's going to use it for a deep conditioning session. Thank you so much. If you guys want to see where to get this product, information is listed on the screen and it's also listed in the description area down below.
Hopefully you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye. Mwah.